Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.5 question number 1. Which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? The adjacent edges of a tabletop, right? Adjacent edges. How the adjacent tabletop? Like this, the rail. That we can say that this is 90 degree, right? Like this, like edge of tabletop is like this. Okay, therefore you can say that the adjacent edges of a tabletop is perpendicular. Then you can say yes, this is perpendicular. Yes, this is yes. Now question number B. The lines of a railway track. Lines of a railway track are like this. The lines of a railway track. The lines of a railway track are like this. You see, the lines of a railway track are like this. That means they are parallel lines, right? They are not perpendicular. Therefore, the lines of railway track is not parallel, not perpendicular. Therefore, the answer is no. The lines of parallel lines of a railway track. That answer is no, right? Therefore, answer is no. The answer is no, right? The answer is no. Now, question number C. The line segments forming the letter L. You see, if we make a letter L like this, and you say this is 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree. Therefore, the lines of line segment forming letter L is perpendicular. Yes, this is perpendicular. Yes. Answer will be yes. Right? Now letter V. Letter V is like this. You see letter V is like this. Right? And it is not 90 degree. It is not 90 degree. Therefore, it is no. This is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.